Hello friends, once again I welcome you all with Carrick and Brian for this video, Mechatronics Hands-on Learning for Understanding Sensor Technology. In this video, we are going to complete a task that LED display using Arduino for using binary code conversion to decimal code. In this video, we will learn how we can change a binary code into a decimal code, and we will also try to see the code which we are giving to the Arduino that we will give through the keypad. Through this keypad, we will press the binary code. As you can see here, if I'll press the sequence 0010. So for this sequence, my third LED will glow. That will represent the code 0010. Do not go with this LED display. It's only a pictorial view, not true for this code. So when I'll press 0010 through keypad, my third LED will on, rest three will remain off, and at the same time, I'll get 2 as a display on my Arduino sketch. So for this, we have an objective for this task is to create an Arduino program that allows users to input a 4-digit binary number using a keypad, as I told you, then display of binary number on LED, and then we'll convert the binary number into a decimal number. And the both value, the binary number and decimal number, will display on the serial monitor through this Arduino sketch. So we require certain item to perform this task. We need breadboard, Arduino UNO, connecting wire, LEDs, resistors, and a 4x4 keypad. So you can see on this slide, we have three pictures. The first picture shows the connections between the Arduino, the circuit, and keypad. So keypad has total 8 pins. These 8 pins are connected with Arduino pin 2 to 9. The rest 10 to 13 pins are connected with a series of diode and resistor of 220 ohm. So 10 is going to the resistor first, then it is going to the P region or P terminal of the diode, then N terminal of the diode is going to the ground. In this way, we will connect the second circuit with pin 11, then pin 12, and then pin 13. You can see the third figure. It's a representation of binary and decimal number. So if I want to make a circuit that will give me the conversion of 0, 1, 1 to 3, so I'll press on keypad 0, 0, 1, 1, and that will give me the output as 3, which is the decimal value of 0011. So this is the pictorial view of the circuit. Let's see through the real circuit which we are going to implement for this task. For that, I'll request to Carrick and Brian to please press a key on this keypad. So you can see here, this is a keypad. We have 8 lines which are connected with this Arduino board, and the 4 lines or 4 pins are going to the LED resistor connection as I showed you in the figure, and this is the ground line which are going back to the Arduino. So this is the whole circuit. Now I request to press any sequence. So let's go for 1, 1, 0, 1. So if we press this, so you can see on LED display, our first, second, and fourth LEDs are on, while third is off. The same, let's see what happened on this Arduino sketch. So you can see this is the whole Arduino code that I'll discuss later. First, we'll see what is happening. So if you see the output, Then for this output, 1101. So you see 1101 is our output, which we showed through this experimental view over here, that 1101. And for this, our output is 13. So that is displaying on this Arduino sketch. Let's do the same exercise with other code. Suppose we press again the another number, maybe the another number is 0011. So you can see 011. Sorry, it is 0001, I guess. It says 0001. So for this, we can also check the concept will remain same. It will not depend on the switching pattern. So if we press 0001, what will happen? So you can see here, uh, I'll request to press again. So it's a zero, first number zero. It's better now you press again. So what 0011. So you can see here. LED is on, it's just very good. Yeah. There we go. So you can see 0011. So the output is 3 that we can see here. Let's do for one more setup. So press any four as per your choice. I request Carrick to press any sequence. So this sequence is now 1001, so that you can see here. And the output for 1001 in decimal is 9. So in this way, we can see that any pattern from, because we are taking the 4-bit number system, so we can get any sequence from 0 to 15, the conversion from binary to decimal. Now let's see the quick view of this Arduino code. So we are using the two hardwares, keypad and software serial. So we have to add these two from this include library. So in include library, we will go on manage library and we'll search keypad and software serial and will install over there. So you can type here, and when you search, you will get keypad and software serial. Then you have to install. Okay, so that you can search and you can do it over there. Next part, to write a code. So for writing the code, you see we have 4 rows and 4 columns on our keyboard. So first we are defining the 4 rows and 4 columns through this. Then we are giving the row pins which we are connecting at different uh, pins. So we are giving the pin number over here. Then we are giving the keypad locations, make my key map, keys, row pins, column pins, rows and columns. So this we are creating our keypad object. Then we are defining our LED outputs. So for this, you can see constant integer LED pin 4 is 10, 11, 12, 13. So if we are having the number 10, 11, 13, 14, so that will go through the pin number 4. Software serial we are using. Then in setup, this is serial 2, 3 to define the software serial object for communication with the computer. Then setup, in setup, we are using the setup for starting, which will go as a output display setup started. So this is for the display purpose. And now after this, we'll define first the output from I equals to 0 until 4, means we are taking the 4 step which we are giving through the keypad. So every one time press will store in LED pin, and that will come to the Arduino sketch as an input. Then the setup is complete, so it will display, yes, we have done our setup. Then we'll go to the code, and this you can see on the basis of the inputs which we are getting here. So while loop will work, and we are giving this code, and this code we are through this program converting into the decimal number. So if you write this step by step, then you will get the complete setup and work for the input given by the keypad that will convert into the decimal form. And finally, you will get the output in the decimal form with a delay of 1000 millisecond, which is 1 second. So this is the whole code. So I hope the code is clear and you go through the code step by step, then you will understand it more. And in this way, we will get the output for which we are converting the given binary number into a decimal number. So thank you very much.